Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. And this videos we are going to see some more example related with the EMF equation of an DC generator. Hopefully you can understand the first two examples which we have discussed previously. Those who failed to refer the same, kindly refer the description box where I am giving the link for the first two example. In this video I am just explain you the problem and the detail given, and with this you have to work it out yourself, mere substitution and making and calculated calculations. Well, get into the example 3 with an explanation. The armature of a 4-pole 600 rpm lap wound generator has 100 slots. If each coil has 4 turns, then calculate flux per pole required to generate an EMF of 300 volt. So let us collect the informations data given and try to find out the asked flux per pole. So the number of poles P equal to 4, speed N 600, it's a lap wound. From this we can easily write it as A equal to P equal to 4. Now this is the point we have to keep it in our mind. The number of slots is equal to 100. Each coil having 4 turns. This is a hint given for you in order to calculate that value. So number of slots equal to 100. Each turn has 2 active conductors. See, it has 2 conductors and 100 coils are required to fill 100 slots. So that is equal to 100 number of slots, 4 turns. For each turn has 2 active conductors. So you have to multiply it with 100 into 4 into 2. That's it. Your Z becomes 800. This is a simple information given. From this given informations you have to make a calculation for an Z, and this is one more model. So keep it everything in our mind. Go through the problem a glance how we make it as an Z as an 800. Then one more information given here is an EMF. So EG equal to 300 volt. What is asked here? We need to find out flux per pole, that means 5. Well, we are well in an expression side. EG equal to P5 ZN by 60A. So from this we are rearranging the expression. Phi is equal to EG into 60 into A divided by P ZN. This is what given. Mere rearrangement of an expression and substitute all the values. E.g. 300, 64. This 4 is for number of poles, and here again the number of poles is equal to number of parallel paths. So A 4, then A here, then poles here. 800 is a Z value and 600 is the value of N. From this your phi is equal to 37.5 milliweber. Then we can make an next problem. Expression need to find out the same thing is a number of conductor per slot. We'll go through the problem. A 6-pole lap wound armature rotated at 350 rpm is required to generate 300 volt. The useful flux per pole is 0.05 Weber. If the armature has 120 slots, then calculate the number of conductors per slot. So what is asked in a question? Number of conductors per slot. What are all the informations given? P equal to 6. It's a lap wound. So informations what we extracted here, A equal to P equal to 6. The armature rotated at a speed 350 rpm. Speed N is equal to 350. It's required to generate 300 volts, which meant it as EMF EG equal to 300 volt. Flux per pole is 0.05 Weber. Phi is equal to 0.05 Weber. Then armature conductor has 120 slots. So number of slots is equal to 120. How to calculate the number of conductors per slot? We are all well known that the expression EG equal to P phi Zn by 60A. From this we need to calculate Z, number of conductors per slot. So mere rearrangement, EG into 60A divided by P phi N. Mere substitution of things, we try to find the number of conductors. But what is asked in a question? Number of conductors per slot. Number of conductors per slot. So number of conductors equal to 1029 per slot. So how many number of slots? 120. So per slot we need to divide it by 120. What we got is 8.575. But it's a number of conductors. Number 1 conductor, 2 conductor, 3 conductor. It's a numerical value. See, we couldn't make it as a decimal value. Numbers not be in a decibel. That's why here we can make it as a nearest whole number as 9. So conductors per slot is equal to 9. Students, hope you can understand these two problems and try to solve the problem. Rest of the things I will given in the next video. Thanks for watching and make an comments by your roll number and try to like the same for making the video to circulate by on YouTube. Thank you, students.